it is Disney day 3 and we're back in the Magic Kingdom park today. It is freezing, it's 0 degrees at the minute, but there's amazing clear blue skies, so it should warm up a bit later. But right now, a little bit chilly, so we're going to go beanie shopping, aren't we?
Yep.
You've seen one you want, we're just going to find it again. There's so many shops here.
Yeah.
It's so cold, everything's frosty,
And look at
but
this.
it's beautiful.
Put a stitch hat, I'm ready. Hang on.
Do it.
Hang on.
That was it.
Ah!
Okay, so I've just got off Hyperspace Mountain. Lil queued up with me. It was a 10-minute queue. It's so quiet compared to the last 2 days because it's Monday today. So literally pretty much walked onto the ride. It took us longer to walk through than it did to queue. Lil changed her mind at the last minute about going on, and I think it was the right move. I think she would have hated it. So they've rethemed Space Mountain as Hyperspace Mountain. There's Star Wars stuff everywhere in the parks at the minute. And it's fantastic. It's like you're in a space battle in Star Wars. There's lasers shooting at you. There's all the, I don't know much about Star Wars, so sorry if I get things wrong, sort of TIE fighters and the things shooting around you too. The roller coaster itself is really good. It goes, there's 2 inversions. It does a loop and then it does a corkscrew. But because it's really, really dark in there, you can't tell what's coming up. It's just, I've absolutely loved it. I love big roller coasters, so that was totally a hit for me, especially with the short queue time as well. But yeah, it was a thumbs down from Lil as she waited on a gantry above where the roller coasters load in and out. So next we're going to head back to Star Tours again because she loved that one, so we're going to do that again.
3, 2, 1. Look at this part.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
Alright, Star Tours?
Yeah.
Let's do Star Tours. Change of plan, we're going to go meet Darth Vader now. And then we'll go to Star Tours. What's the wait for Star Tours? 10 minutes. Oh my god, it's so quiet today. It's so quiet.
My son. That is excellent.
I was meeting Darth Vader.
Good.
Did you join the dark side?
Yeah.
Oh well. I'll come get you back later.
I just said sure.
Yeah, do you want to join the dark side? Yeah, sure. Whatever. Alright, now we are actually going to go on Star Tours. And there is a 5-minute wait. Today's a good day. And that's it. Again, we're about to walk straight onto another ride. This is crazy how quiet it is today. Alright, we've moved over to Fantasyland now, and we're waiting, hoping that there's going to be a meet and greet with some Alice in Wonderland characters. Let's go!
What is your lovely name? Hi, Lily. And where you from? Hi. Hi, Lily.
How awesome was that?
What did you do?
We met Vicky.
Isn't it gorgeous? And what did he try to do?
I tried to eat my donuts.
He tried to eat your donuts. He took your ears and tried to eat the donuts. It was so cute. Where are we going to go now?
Alice's Curious Labyrinth.
Let's,
As you can see over there.
oh, let's go. It's right here. We're trying to get to the Cheshire Cat. All right, which way now?
It was good.
That was a lot of fun, wasn't it? We walked straight on. There was no queue. So what do you have to do?
We have to spin this when it starts, but it's really stiff right now because it starts.
Okay. Well, are you dizzy?
No.
I am.
I only get dizzy when they spin around like this.
Oh, I'm really dizzy. We are back in Frontierland and we're going to go up these steps. We're not quite sure where it goes, but it says Legends of the Wild West. We're going up and up and up. What's he doing? Weighing his gold. The Prospector. Oh, this is really cool. How have we never been up here before? outlaw. The last guy, the sheriff. I think we're done.
Yeah.
Where should we go?
Somewhere.
We're going.
Oh, it's
I take us into a shop. Okay, we are in Adventure Isle now, and we're about to go across this suspension bridge, and we're heading towards Pirates of the Caribbean, which is over here somewhere. Okay, we're heading across the suspension. Oh my god! Oh my god, there's people jumping. Oh! Look at the no, look at the pirates. Stop jumping for a minute. I can't hold the camera still. Oh my god!
That's what I don't want people to do.
Oh my god. I don't like it. Do we have to go back across it? Oh no. Can we get down this side? Surely we can get down this side. We don't have to go back across. Which way?
this way. It goes
That way?
No, darker.
The dark way. Oh, there's another way, is there?
I'll go this way, you go that way.
What if we lose each other? It might end up in different places. We're going in?
Yeah.
Alright. Where are we? We are now going to Skull Rock. We're inside the skull. We made it! Let's go queue up. What are we waiting for?
Parade.
The parade. It's about to start in about 5 minutes.